The bugle of political war was sounded in Parliament, with Congress President Sonia Gandhi launching a direct attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday morning and the Lok Sabha Speaker ending the day with the unprecedented suspension of 27 Congress members for 5 days. The BJP and the Congress were at each other's jugular with the logjam of the preceding weeks of the monsoon session of Parliament reaching to an open and intense confrontation. Sonia Gandhi hit out at PM Modi with the Man Ki Baat man appears to retreat into a Maun Vrat whenever there is a scandal involving his colleagues. She went on to add, he, PM, has been conspicuous by his deafening silence on blatant transgressions by his EAM, External Affairs Minister, and two of his CMs, Chief Ministers. The Congress, through the session, has been categorically saying that it will not allow a discussion until the government responded favorably to its demand for the resignation of the BJP leaders implicated in the Lalit Modi scam. The Congress president rendered a very hard-hitting speech that clearly had the BJP all worked up, as was evident in the reactions to the opposition by senior ministers like Arun Jaitley in the Rajya Sabha. The Prime Minister has been very free with his promises, yet he seems totally incapable of delivering on them. On the one hand, he never misses an opportunity to claim the moral high ground on transparency, integrity and accountability. On the other, he has been conspicuous by his deafening silence on the blatant transgressions by his External Affairs Minister and two of his Chief Ministers. There are others too in this roll call of dishonor, but for the time being we are confining ourselves to these three. The Man Ki Baat man appears to retreat into a Maun Vrat whenever there is a scandal involving his colleagues. The suspended leaders, all from the Congress, had been protesting against the government over the Lalit Modi and the Vyapam scams. Here is the list of Congress MPs suspended. B. N. Chandrappa, Santokh Singh Chaudhary, Abu Hasim Khan Chaudhary, Sushmita Dev, R. Dhruv Nayan, Ninong Ering, Gaurav Gogoi, Sukender Reddy Gutha, Dipendra Singh Huda, Suresh Kodikunil, SP Mudha Hunu Goda, Abhijit Mukherjee, Ramchandra Mulla Appalli, K.H. Muniappa, B.V. Nayak, Vincent H. Pala, M.K. Raghavan, Ranjit Ranjan, C.L. Ruwala, Tamar Dhwaj Sahu, Rajiv Shankaro Satav, Ravneet Singh, Dodal Ali, Kampeke Goda Suresh, K.C. Venugopal, Tokchom Miyanya,